Hey everybody, it's Jeff Berlin. I want to play for everybody an interesting 8 bars out of my recently released reading book, Bass Mastery. It's for beginner readers. But this is an interesting 8 bars as it pertains to 16th notes, 8th notes, 16th note rests, and 8th rests. This represents what is coming to you, which is sequence of hands and an understanding of reading, and as well an understanding of the neck so you can play the notes. So I'm going to read this for you to show you what is coming, or if you're a good reader, you may be there already. These 8 bars require interpretation of pitch. Where are they on the neck? And doing these etudes and doing these exercises out of my book is going to get you to have mind, hand, instrument, and music sequence where everything fires at the same time. The more you get used to these type of things, because it's practice, you don't want to do it in time if you don't need to at first. It is practice, and practice is going to open up your ideas to do similar things. This book is a liberator for bass players. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that this helped. Enjoy the book, everybody. Thanks.